Number 1. Kumulap basket. 2 points. Number 1. For 3 points. Ayun, pumasok na. 3 points. Number 1. Santos basket. 2 points. Number 0. Kakapasok lang, tumikada kagad. Number 0 for 2. Ang Saturday Club. Outlet pass to number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 1. Ang gandang pasa sa ilalim. For 2 points. Number 0. Number 23. Duminiscate. Number 23. Pass to number 8. Duminiscate sa number 10. Basket for 2 points. Number 23. Pasa sa gitna to number 8. Number 8. Basket for 2 points. Number 8. Number 10. Kick out pass to number 23. Pinasa sa ilalim. Bilalik number 0. Number 0. Basket. 2 points. Number 10. Pasa kay number 0. Pull up. Basket. 2 points. Number 0. Number 10. Pass to number 9 for 3 points. It's good. 3 points. Number 9. Pass to Paolo, number 10. Pass to number 11. Ang gandang boots naman nun. Basket for 2 points. Number 11. Katabang, dumidiskarte. Katabang, fumig. Basket, 2 points. Katabang. Number 8. Nice D. Sa kanya pa yung bola. Number 8. Another try. Basket na po. Number 23. Pass to Katabang. Another layup. Basket, 2 points. Katabang, 3 points. Walang malakas. Rebound number 0. Finally, counted na for 2 points. Pass to number 8, si Mato. Basket, 2 points, si Mato. Ang Saturday Club. Another shot by si Mato for 2 points. Number 20. Ang gandang pasahan naman ron. 2 points, number 20. Pass to number 9. Number 9 for 3 points. Bang for 3. Number 9. Pumasok sa kita. Pass to the corner. Number 9 for 3 points. 3. Bang number 9. Number 9 for 3 points. Pass to Katabang. Katabang promotes over Katabang. For 2 points. Katabang. Nagbabalit. Number 8. That is good for 2 points. Number 8, si Maki. Katabang, pinasa kay number 8. To number 7, Lee, for 2 points. Not good. Sa kanya pa rin yung bola. Wala. Another try. Wala. Pasok na. But this time around, 2 points. Pass to number 11, Katabang. All the way for 2 points. Katabang. Santos. Kumake, pinasa kay number 10. Number 10 for 3 points. Wala pa din. Nakuha ni number 0. Number 0 for 3. Number 0. Pull up Villanueva for 2 points is good. Number 8 pass to number 7. Grabe, pasahan naman yun. 2 points. Number 7. Medyo bumigay na yun. Walang sub kasi. Number 7E for 2 points. Fake number 0. Number 20 for 3 points. Wala. Malakas. Nakuha ni number 10. Number 10. Another try. Wala pa din. Basket na din. Sa wakas si number 1. Talon. 23. Yung diskarte. Lumayak. Dumidiretso. Grabe naman yun. For 2 points. Number 23. For 3 points, basket. 3 points, number 9. Binalik sa kanya yung bola. Another try for 3 points. Finally for 3. Number 10. Katapang fake. Pasok. 2 points. Katapang.